thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bordentown, or 8 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds may occur well ahead of any rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, Lakewood, Jackson, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, Bordentown, Presidential Lakes Estates, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Tullatown, Allentown, and Pemberton. People at the Burlington County Farm Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Monmouth and Ocean, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. Here is the official